So today I'm using the 3-in-1 cup, looking for different effects. I'll start it off like a wing pour and then try and do something different. I think when using the spout to let the paint stream out, it makes the smaller fingerlings or lines, if you will, opposed to when I use the wing pour, I turn the cup on the flat edge and let the paint fold over. When using the spout on the measuring cup, it seems I can get deeper lines or curvy lines. It gives a little more detail with the spout. Now I'm going to try a straight pour to add another part of a design. And with the slow streaming of paint, you're letting less air bubbles in, which will not bring cells. You'll get a few, but not a lot. I love all of the different lines, shapes, and forms that I got from using the cup with the steady stream and making it flow slowly. It looks like I see so many things in this painting. I see waves crashing in this piece, and I also can see the shadow of a wolf. Let me know in the comments of how you like the performance of the cup and the lines in this painting compared to the wing pour with this cup, the 3-in-1 cup. Thank you for spending time with me today and exploring the 3-in-1 cup and using it in a different way from the wing pour. If you enjoyed my video and content, please don't hesitate to subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification button to be notified of the next video. See you next time.